Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send BUSD from your Arculus wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets quickly and securely, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged into your Kraken account. You'll also need some BUSD in your Arculus wallet to transfer. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on a secure network and have two-factor authentication enabled on both platforms. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for your BUSD balance, that's the asset we're working with. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw options. Step 2. Once you're in the BUSD section, select the Send or Withdraw button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so hop over to your Kraken account. Log in, go to your deposit page and select BUSD. Kraken will provide you with a unique deposit address, copy that carefully. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the Kraken address into the recipient field. Double-check for any typos, as that could send your funds to the wrong place. Next, enter the amount of BUSD you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance to ensure you have enough. Step 4. Review the transaction details. Arculus will show you a summary, including the amount, fees, and final recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this should only take a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Kraken account for confirmation. Once it shows up, you're all set. That's it. You've successfully transferred BUSD from Arculus to Kraken. Always stay vigilant with your crypto. If you run into issues, reach out to support. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.